do this. Let me fly it.
You got it?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna declare an emergency.
What was it, 21.5?
Yeah, 21.5. Whatever the fuck that was.
Brazil, November 600, X-ray Lima.
Oh!
Autopilot.
What the hell is that? Alright, just fly the airplane, dude. Just fly the airplane.
Autopilot.
No,
Autopilot.
we don't have explosive to decompress.
Autopilot. Autopilot. Autopilot.
Want me to
Autopilot.
fly it, dude?
Autopilot.
You want me to fly it?
What, we got fucking hit?
I don't know, dude. Let me fly it.
You got it?
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna declare an emergency.
What was it, 21.5?
Yeah, 21.5. Whatever the fuck that was. We have to get down.
Go. Did we?
What the fuck did he come from? Alright, we're going down. We declared emergency. Sit down.
And Brazil, November 600, X-ray Lima.
$21.5, right?
21.5.
I'm gonna keep the speed slow.
And Brazil, November 600, X-ray Lima, emergency. And Brazil, November 600, X-ray Lima.
What is it? SBCC. Just go direct to it.
I don't know if it's big enough.
I know. We'll find out. I'm trying to contact these fuckers that won't answer the radio.
SBCC?
Yeah. Dude, you have the TCAS on?
Yes, the TCAS is on.
Alright, just keep an eye out for traffic. I'll do that. I got that.
What, you want me to fly?
No, I got to fly. I'll keep an eye out for traffic. We're descending. I want to get down. You got anything on 21.5?
I got nothing at 21.
Try the other comm. So what's for TCAS?
And Brazil radio, November 600, X-ray Lima, like to declare an emergency.
Do you have your books on your side?
What books are you looking for?
The ones for this place, but
Get this in the back.
Okay. What was the FSBC? Yeah, SSBC.
Let's walk it down, dude. What's the distance on that thing? 100 miles?
SBCC.
Just keep an eye out. I'll keep an eye out.
Alright, that's going direct to SBCC. What the fuck is SBCC now? Shit.
Well, in the meantime, we'll just look it up. Yeah, you might be able to get on the runway.
And Manaus, anybody on 121.50, November 600, X-ray Lima?
2345, this is Polar 71.
Yeah, tell me the equipment.
Yeah, can you, we have an emergency here. We're going to need to come back down and descend.
And you need to talk to Manaus?
Yeah, do you have a frequency we could use, please?
We're by Alta Floresta at this time. Alpha Tango Fox, 2415 or 223, those are the frequencies around here.
Alright, give it a shot, thanks.
Right.
And Brasilia, November 600 X-ray Lima emergency.
We're figuring that out right now.
7700? Centro Manaus, Polar 71.
Squawk 7700, it's emergency.
Squawk it. Just got some serious trim on here, but I just don't want to trim anything right now.
Yeah.
I want to keep
Lima aircraft, if you need Brasilia, good number around here for Brasilia is 2525.
2525, thank you.
Can you ask him, was it damage? Okay, I'll get him later. Let's get on the ground.
Brasilia, November 600 X-ray Lima.
Come on.
And Brasilia, November 600 X-ray Lima, do you copy?
Where the fuck were we on here before? God damn it.
We're on course, we're on level altitude. I don't know what the fuck we just hit. November 6100 X-ray Lima on 21.5, transmitting it on 21.5, declared emergency, looking for a frequency.
I wish I had a fucking thing that I knew.
Dude, I highlighted the frequencies on there.
Brasilia, trip 5547, vai iniciar o desvio à esquerda, para levar informações.
23.3. Try that.
Brasilia, November 600 X-ray Lima, do you copy? Brasilia Center, November 600 X-ray Lima, do you copy? And Brasilia, November 600 X-ray Lima, do you copy?
November 600 Lima, X-ray Lima, transmitting on 121.5, declaring emergency, looking for a frequency. Anyone out there?
Yeah, this is Polar 71. Can we assist you in any ways?
Sir, I don't think so. Right now, we don't know what happened. We have some flight control issues. We need someone to help us out with finding the immediate airport to land at. And right now, we're going direct to Sierra Bravo Charlie Charlie. We need some information on that airport, and we're looking it up right now, but we need some assistance on the, if we can contact somebody here to give us some sort of vector and make sure that no one hits us.
Try to stay in touch. We are on 21.5, Polar 71. We're 747. We're over Alpha Tango Fox, Alta Floresta. We'll try to get in touch with Manaus or Brasilia. Stand by.
Thank you.
We should be pretty close to that.
Well, the way I'm descending, we're going to make it, we're going to be over it. Just keep the speed low. Remind me to keep the speed low. All right.
What's it look like back there? What do you see?
This is keep it slow. We'll get the airplane on the ground. I'm not sure about flap configurations yet.
Well,
so I don't want to go too slow, but I don't want to go too fast.
We'll probably just land with no flaps. I mean.
Yeah, you might have to do that, but I need to know that distance of that runway.
Yeah.
Did you find the SBCC on there?
I'm trying, man.
Low chart. Go on the low chart.
Low chart.
So my trip book. Here you go. Here's my trip book.
I got it.
You got it? All right. Just keep an eye out, Ralph, if you would. So I'm not talking to anybody right now. We don't have clearance to send. I need to know if I'm going to hit somebody, so. There's no one answering us right now except for Polar Air Cargo, and they're making phone calls. Unless you want to get on the sat phone, if you can contact somebody. So if you know how to work that sat phone, that'd be wonderful right now.
SBS, just use the one in the back, Ralph. You can't use this one. 600,
Just the one in the back.
What is your position and what is your altitude now?
We're descending through flight level 170 right now. Position right now, we're about 51 miles southeast of Sierra Bravo Charlie Charlie. That's the airport we're going to right now. We don't know what that is, but that's where we're going.
Okay, we'll give it a shot. We're trying. Stand by.
If you can give us a distance on the runway, let us know what kind of field it is. So it's suitable for us to land on.
Okay, let us try. Stand by.
Need about 6,000 feet.
Okay.
We'll just put on whatever we can right now.
If it's 3,000, we're landing.
Sierra Bravo, Bravo Victor.
Sierra Bravo Charlie Charlie.
Sierra Bravo Charlie Charlie.
I don't think we hit it. We couldn't have hit it.
I wish I could find lat longs on this.
I can give you Latin longs.
Give me a lat long. You can.
Hold on. I just did it before. I had it on it, and I don't fucking know what I do with it. Position sensors. Dude, can you take that down?
09 south. .09, 41. .54. 54.21. 54.21. Sierra Bravo Charlie Charlie?
Yes.
Okay, we're looking at the Nova Progreso Cachimba.
Call operations, maybe they can get it for us.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Oh, there you go. Do me a favor, Rob. Henry?
Yes, sir.
Watch my speed and don't let me go too fast. I want to maintain somewhere between 200 knots and 240, 250.
All right, I'm watching.
Centro Brasilia, Polar 71, Mayday, 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 21.5.
How the fuck was that?
Thank you, this is Polar 71 on 21.5.
Is that who we hit?
No.
I don't know.
I don't know if we hit anybody.
I don't know what that
This is Polar 71. We're relaying a message for November 600 X-ray Lima. They're declaring an emergency. They're heading to Sierra Bravo Charlie Charlie. We need information about the airport.
You said 230 to 240, right?
Yes.
Yes,
No,
okay.
200 to 240 is fine. I
Okay.
don't want to slow down right yet because I don't need to, because I don't want to go too fast, but the problem is it's harder for me. I just found out when I'm slowing down, it's harder for me to maintain level.
Yep.
Wings level, so.
So we're only 29 miles away.
You up?
Yes, sir, go ahead. I got it.
Okay, stand by. Somebody else reply. Hold on.
We're now leaving 10,800 feet, just to leave you an idea.
Do you have coordinates?
Right now, our current coordinates is south 09 degrees 35.5 minutes, west 054 33.6.
Okay, south 09255 and west 54.
Yes, south 0933 and west 54.
Okay, stand by.
Small fucking movements. Nothing? There's no charge, then it's a
We're
small...
slowing up. Fly here.
Yeah, who is this airplane? This is Polar 71, Polar 71.
Go ahead.
This is at November 600 X-ray Lima. Go ahead, Polar 71.
Affirmative. It's Polar 71, relaying a message for November 600 X-ray Lima. They're declaring an emergency going to Sierra Bravo Charlie Charlie.
It's getting, I think can you find out if it's getting delaminated even further or something? Because
I'll go back.
It feels like it's getting harder.
You may just need to get on the ground. I hate to say this.
I understand that.
12645 and what other frequency?
We're 21 miles away.
All right. We'll just go to the airport.
We're just going to that airport and do what we can.
That's it, we're done. We're going to the airport.
Muito obrigado, bom dia.
Okay, 1,500 feet per minute.
It is a problem with flight controls. Heading to Novo Progresso.
Don't go too fast. Doing 240 knots.
Slowing. Keep an eye out, dude, please. There seems to be burning shit around here. Dude, I'm not sure if I can get this thing slow. I have to be honest with you. So I'm going to have to come in fast.
Come in fast and we'll just do what we can.
Jan, it's about the same.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Maybe it's just a dense, I don't know. I can't figure it out. So I'm just going to keep the speed, keep everything as is. Seems to be working.
I've searched through all of this. I didn't see it. Do you guys know where the sat phone manual is?
I can do it for you. Just hit star. Just hit the hook.
Grab. Hey, Daniel, tell Ralph to come here.
X-ray Lima, are you up?
You have dialed as incomplete.
Go ahead, X-ray Lima.
Got it.
X-ray Lima, if you're up, go to 2645.
2645 will do.
Okay.
Thanks, Joe.
Yeah, all right.
I think I see something. I see like...
And Brazil, November 600 X-ray Lima, are you with us?
Stand by, X-ray Lima. We're talking to Manaus. Manaus is trying to get the information. They just copy us here on 71 Polar.
Okay.
I don't know about flaps, Joe. What do you think? I don't know about flaps. What do you want to do?
I say go without them.
I'm going to do a flyover. Just get an idea what the runway looks like.
I don't know if it's worth it. I think we should just get on the ground.
Oh, at this speed, I can't get down.
Vai 8942, prossiga. And Manaus, November. Go ahead to 600 X-ray Lima.
Keep looking.
That's all right.
That's a big enough field. We'll take it.
Okay, Embraer 145.
All right, you want me up here or in the back?
X-ray Lima, do you copy Manaus?
Just
Go ahead, X-ray Lima.
strap
We
in.
copy
It's
you.
going to be a rough landing.
Yeah, strap in.
I'm going back.
They got you.
Hey, if we have to evacuate, keep an eye on where the fire is at. You know, keep cognitive of where we have to go.
X-ray Lima is up. X-ray Lima is on the frequency. You can talk directly to X-ray Lima.
And Manaus, X-ray Lima is checking in with you. Do you copy us? Loud and clear. Go ahead. Yes, we're emergency. We're going to be landing at Sierra Bravo Charlie. We're having issues with our control system, and
Give me an ILS.
we're going to be landing. Do you have a frequency for Sierra Bravo Charlie? And runway line, please. November 600 X-ray Lima, go ahead. Yes, sir, November 600 X-ray Lima. We're going to be landing at Sierra Bravo Charlie. We're currently on the downwind for Sierra Bravo Charlie.
It's 1,800 foot elevation.
Todas as aeronaves na escuta do Centro Amazônico mantém a escuta.
Tell me when you bring the tower.
600 X-ray Lima, Amazonic, go ahead. Yes, sir, we're going to be landing at Sierra Bravo Charlie. Is there a tower frequency here? Please tell me by one. Just going to go out and turn and make left traffic. Okay, sir, contact now. Kashim, Sierra Bravo Charlie, 125.9, 125.9. 1259, thank you.
You know what, do me a favor? What runway you see on that? What number?
02 possibly, through 0.
Can you give me a waypoint?
Landing gear.
Give me the gear down.
Sure?
Yeah.
Landing gear.
Well, you know what?
Let's wait till I'm final.
Fuck the horn, don't worry about it.
Landing gear.
And tower, November
Landing
600
gear.
X-ray Lima
How
is
am I doing?
on the left base because they landing on
Landing
the,
gear.
coming in for landing here in emergency.
Landing gear.
Yeah, do you have the runway length for
Landing gear.
X-ray Lima?
Landing gear.
Yeah, we're going to hold off on the gear until we're on final.
Landing gear. Landing gear.
Keep an eye on my...
You got it.
Landing gear.
How long is the runway?
Yes.
Landing gear.
Yes, how long is the runway for 600 X-ray Lima?
Landing gear. Landing gear.
You're going way
Landing
past.
gear.
I know, I can't...
Okay, I understand.
So I'm not the
Landing
other way.
gear.
All right, turn the other way.
November 00600
Landing gear.
Proceed landing to Kashimbo.
Now we're going to land
Landing
at Sierra
gear.
Bravo Charlie. Is that your airport?
Landing gear. Landing
Do you know how
gear.
long the runway is?
Runway 30, wind 300 degrees, 6 knots.
Okay, thanks. The length, the runway length, how long is it?
Roger. Que distância tem a pista? Que longa é?
I want to do a shallow descent, okay?
You got it.
Chico, o Polar 71, nós precisamos da distância que tem a pista. 1.600 metros, 1600 metros.
Motor off, that's fine.
1.600 metros, tá, obrigado.
I just want, I don't want to bank too hard, dude. Pull
1,600 meters.
Thank you.
How much?
1,600 meters.
2600 meters. 2600.
2600 meters, thank you.
Firma-lhe. É 2,600, né, Cassino? Não encolheu não, né?
Thank God I had the fucking map up on the airports.
Descendo land to Cachimbo. Afirmativo.
That's good. I know it's wide.
That's fine, that's fine. No, you're doing just
About
fine.
500 feet, according to
Landing
the
gear.
first transmission, he said 1,600, then he said 2,600, so the first was 4,500
gear.
feet about.
Okay, thank you.
Landing gear.
Problem is I love the fucking run.
Where are you?
Roger.
Landing gear.
Too low, terrain.
Emergency?
Landing gear.
Tell me we need vectors for the runway.
We got reckless for the runway for Sierra Bravo Echo.
Landing gear.
God damn it.
Landing gear.
Pull the brake, dude.
Landing gear.
Don't worry about it, don't worry about it. I see the runway.
See it?
I just want to line up, dude. I just want to make sure I can line up.
Landing gear.
Too low, terrain. That's way down.
Landing gear.
We'll just use whatever we have to for ref.
Landing gear.
Give me what's on weight?
What's that?
Landing
Well,
gear.
I get it.
Landing gear.
40,000 pounds.
How much?
40,000.
Landing
Alright, give me
gear.
130, 140. That doesn't matter.
Landing
Give me
gear.
make that 160. 168.
Landing
Alright,
gear.
runway in sight.
Okay.
Landing gear.
Tell you what. Short runway?
Yeah.
Landing
short
gear.
final? Short final?
Right.
Dump the flaps. I mean, talking on the
Landing
flare.
gear.
On the flare, dump the flaps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Landing
give me 9,
gear.
give me 9 on the flare, okay?
Okay.
Landing gear.
Gear down. Cross your fingers.
Landing gear.
Too low, terrain.
Landing
Too low,
gear.
terrain. Caution, terrain.
Landing
Caution,
gear.
terrain. We got 3 down. We hit something, man. We hit another airplane. I don't know where the fuck
I never
it came
saw
from.
it, dude. And then I was trying to contact...
1011, temperature 30.
Just hold on, right, dude.
I'm holding it.
Hold
Looking
on.
good.
November 600 X Lima, this is Cachimbo Tower.
Go ahead, Tower.
Wind.
What's that?
Temperature 30, temperature 7101, wind
Approaching
300
minimum.
degrees, 6 knots.
Too low, terrain. Show finally went flaps 9, you said?
Yeah.
Confirm landing gear.
Landing gears down, 3 grains.
Ground landing gear.
Too low, terrain. Minimums,
Clear
minimums.
to land, wind 30
Too low,
degrees, 6
terrain. Too low, terrain.
Flaps.
Too low, terrain. Good job, good job. Plenty, good, good.
Fucking we're alive. Fuck you!
Fuck you. Good job, good job. Good job, thank you.
November 600 X Lima, on the ground, we're at 24. Proceed taxi, first right to ramp.
Okay, the right turn to the ramp, 600 X.
You're airplane. I'm sorry, dude. I didn't mean to do that to you.
I know,
You got the airplane ball. I know 0 flash speeds off the top of my head.
Thanks, Polo. Thank you, Lance. Thanks for your help.
Thanks, have a good day.